Hi guys, I have something quite exciting to talk to you about today. The channel's now 4 months old and yeah, things are going okay. We've fixed quite a lot of stuff and I've enjoyed myself making a lot of these videos. And now I want to do something that I don't think has ever been done before, certainly not on YouTube. I've had that look okay. And what I want to do is to offer you guys the chance to have your electronics items repaired for free. Okay. I can't take large items, but certainly, you know, motherboards, graphics cards, and small electronics items, I'm very happy to have a look at. So the way this would work, basically, you would need to post the items over to me. I'm actually in Spain. The plus side, I'm actually in the Canary Islands, which means there's no import or export duty for anything that is sent to me here from anywhere in the world. Just market as electronics items for repair, yeah, and that's all you need to do. If you're willing to pay the postage costs both ways, so you post the stuff to me and pay my return postage costs, in return I will repair your item for free, no charge from me. The only thing I would ask you to pay is the cost of any parts. If it just needs salvage parts I have anyway, then they are free as well, yeah. So if we have to order parts, we'll have a look on AliExpress or elsewhere, and we'll have a look so you can see exactly the cost of the parts, and if you're happy with that, then let's get on with it. The only things, of course, there's terms and conditions, as they say, but these are very friendly, yeah. So the only thing I ask is, one, that you subscribe to the channel, yeah, please subscribe. 2 is that I will make a video showing the repair of your items, so you will get to see your items fixed on YouTube, yeah. The rights to those videos I will retain, so those videos are my intellectual property, yeah. You'll get a shout out, you'll get a greets from me, yeah. If you want to remain anonymous, I'll just say it was a subscriber. If you're happy to say who you are, yeah, we'll have a big thumbs up and say, you know, you'll have your moment of fame, yeah. So really that's it. I can't guarantee to fix everything, you know, with this. I can't promise I'll fix everything, but I have a good success rate. So I propose I'm going to do this, and we're going to do this from now until the end of September, yeah. So that's just over 2 months I'm going to offer this service, yeah. All you need to do in the first instance is to email me, let me know what you want to send over, and I'll get back to you and we'll take it from there. Okay, so I think that's exciting news. I hope you're interested in that. I look forward to seeing some of your kit, and hopefully, you know, I'll do my best and I'll fix it for you. Okay, so see you all very soon, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Has anybody ever done this before? I don't think so. Okay, a once in a lifetime offer. Cheers now, see you all soon.